after about an hour, that's the finished product. M3 drywall sanding screen. Anyways, now they're ready for their bath, and then I'll coat them with transmission fluid and clean them out really, really good. So, oh, and by the way, when I clean my cylinders, O'Reilly's carries these 12-inch brushes. They got them in stainless steel and brass. And I use the brass ones to go through the return oil pockets in them cylinders and where the cylinder studs sit. When I do my cleaning, I use bore brushes. Anyways, thanks for watching.